Hello everyone. This video is about push notifications in the Eventpedia platform. As you know, native apps, one of the greatest feature that native app offers is it can deliver push notifications to the attendees' devices. So once you set up the push notification, if you look at from the left-hand side here, from MCM, you see there are two ways now you can deliver push notifications. One is you send as a regular notification, or you can send attendee schedule in a notification. The requirement here is the attendee, when they download the app, download the event in the app, attendee will be asked, do you want to opt in? So first, attendee need to opt in to receive notifications. So as an admin, you can deliver notification. There are two types. Like we mentioned, send a regular notification. You will put in a subject and then the actual message. The message can be a HTML content. And then once you do that, and then you can deliver this notification immediately, which you click on send, or you can schedule it. So if you schedule the notification, you can actually specify the date and the time that you want the notification to go out. Okay, and the time is going to be based on the event time zone when you set the event. So if you say 9 o'clock, if the event time zone is Eastern, it will send out on Eastern. If the time zone is Central for the event, it will send out 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. In the Central time zone. So a regular push is have a subject and a message. And then you can deliver schedule or ASAP right away. And you can also deliver notification not as a push, which means you will see it in the notification area in the app, but it will not deliver as a push notification. Like you'll be notified, like bing, show up in the notification tray. So you can still do that if you like, but most of the client always want the notification delivered as a push. The second thing that has been added is really is called send attendee schedule. What is this type of notification? This type of notification is as attendee use the app, they can put some sessions into their app calendar. So for instance, on October 6th, this attendee has put in like 2 sessions in the morning, 1 session in the afternoon into the app calendar using the app. So what the client can do is at the beginning of every event date, like in the morning, like 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning, a notification can go out to each individual attendee and remind them, hey, these are the schedule for today that you have put into a calendar, like a reminder. And then also they can look at some other session that's going to happen for that particular day. So let me show you how this type of notification works. So you can say, well, subject is, okay, this is your schedule for, let's say, imagine if you want to do this notification is going to send out to remind people, here is the schedule you have put into your calendar for October the 6th, 2023. So this could be your subject, and then you will deliver, what is the date for the schedule. So the date for the schedule is going to be 10:06. So you're gonna, the attendee will receive the notification that shows their schedule for this day. And then if I want to do this now, I can just say, instead of schedule, I'm gonna just send it right away. And here is the app. Now we'll see how this works. So I will send a notification now. So that has been delivered. And then you look at here, it actually has a notification now. So if I come in, now I'm inside the app. So if I click on the notification here, I actually see here, this is the one, is your October 6th. So these are the three calendar or sessions that I put into my calendar. And then I can also look at today's schedule, which is October 6th. And then you can see these are the actual schedule for that day. Okay, so if you come back to the notification tray, you see here, this is your schedule for 10:06. So the way you want to do it is you will do it again. You will say, okay, now I want to send the schedule 10:07, and then you will say, okay, the reminder is for 10:07 schedule, and then you actually want to schedule this, and then say, hey, I'm going to deliver this at, maybe you will say at 7 a.m. So if you save this, when you send, because this is a scheduled one, so it will not deliver until it hits October 7th at 7 o'clock in the morning. So every attendee at 7 o'clock that day will receive a notification, and then when they click on it, they actually see the schedule for that day. So what you want to do is I can schedule this one, right? And then if your event is also goes into October 8th, you can do your schedule 10:08, and then you want to schedule, okay, this is actually to display the schedule for that day, and then I will schedule it. And then when do you want to send this out? You want to send it out on that day in the morning and at 7 a.m. So now you send, right? So actually you see there are two that's been scheduled now. It's going to go out at 7 a.m. on the 7th, and then it's going to go out on the 8th, right? You see the schedule, they have a typo here. All these pre-scheduled one you can edit and change, because I have a typo here. It really should remove this. So now I say back up. So now you see this will be the text you receive in the tray, right? And then actually when it delivers, this attendee will receive every day in the morning at 7 o'clock, if you set up right, receive their reminder for that day. So hopefully this helps. Thank you so much. If you have any question, again, please contact the Eventpedia team. We'll be more than happy to help you to explain further. Thank you so much.